We'll guide you through how to export your animation in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and ensure your animation is ready for export. You need to go to the top left and click on the File menu. From there, hover over Export and a list of options will appear. Since we want to export an animation, you should select FBX or Alembic format, as these are commonly used for animations. Once you click on your preferred format, a new window will open with export settings. Here, you'll see options like Include, Transform, and Animation. Make sure the animation checkbox is ticked, as this ensures your animation data is included in the export. In the Include panel, you can choose to export all objects or just the selected ones, so decide based on your needs. For the Transform settings, you can adjust the scale if necessary, but usually, the default settings work fine. Next, choose your output location at the top of the window by clicking on the folder icon and navigating to where you want to save your file. Once everything looks good, hit the Export button at the top right of the window. Blender will then process your export, and this might take a few moments depending on the complexity of your animation. Once it's done, you should have a file in your chosen format ready to be used in other software or shared with others. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.